Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Sundance Now on your PlayStation 5 and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5 console and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to the media section and select the PlayStation Store. Step 3. Use the search function to find the Sundance Now app in the store. Step 4. Select the Sundance Now app from the results and click Download to install it on your console. Step 5. Open the Sundance Now app after installation. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Step 6. Using a computer or mobile device, visit sundancenow.com. Activate in a web browser. Step 7. Log in with your Sundance Now subscription credentials or create an account if you don't have one. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your PlayStation 5 into the website and click Activate. Your console will refresh and you can now stream all Sundance Now content, including critically acclaimed dramas and films. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.